Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about motivational stories and how they can help us start our own online businesses. The theme for today is best online businesses to start and how to start each one. The main idea is e-commerce, digital marketing, luck trajectory, online presence, motivation, business strategy, entrepreneurship, and personal growth. Let's start with an inspiring story of a person who started a small online business and managed to grow it into a successful enterprise. This person learned the importance of e-commerce, digital marketing, and building an online presence. They understood the value of motivation and the importance of staying focused on their goals. They never gave up, and their hard work paid off. Today, they are not only successful in their business, but also a role model for many others. Another motivational story can be about a person who started an online business in the field of digital marketing. They understood that this industry is constantly evolving and requires constant learning and innovation. They knew that the key to success is to have a strong business strategy and to stay motivated in the face of challenges. They did not stop at creating a great product or service. They also focused on building their online presence and reaching their target audience. Their hard work and dedication have led them to become a respected figure in the digital marketing world. Both stories show that with determination, hard work, and a strong sense of motivation, we can achieve great things and start our own successful online businesses. In conclusion, motivational stories are a powerful tool that can help us stay inspired and motivated in our journey to build a successful online business. By learning from the experiences and successes of others, we can find the guidance and inspiration we need to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. So, let's take inspiration from these amazing stories and start our own online businesses, creating a positive impact on our life trajectory and the lives of others.